Every day at FlexXray, we get to provide customers with support in working through foreign material incidents. And no matter what type of product that we're seeing, and we see product from hundreds of different manufacturers on a daily basis, there's something that's unique. Each one of those events was often triggered by an inline X-ray or metal detector. Unfortunately, though, the information from the X-ray or metal detector doesn't really serve any purpose other than creating that initial signal. Whenever the investigation is occurring, there isn't anything else that the X-ray or metal detector can provide that may shorten or reduce the amount of product that's placed on hold. But what if we were able to use an X-ray as a measurement device instead of just a signaling device? What if we had underlying information about the noise that was going on within our product as we approached that threshold? Well, that future state is going to be here before we know it. With photon counting detection technology, we will have that information at our fingertips. So once we do reach that threshold and we proceed with the upstream investigation, we're going to have a significant amount of data about every single product that went across that X-ray, and we can evaluate that for changes and for trends to help reduce the size of that hold. And at FlexXray, we'll still be able to support the sift and sorting of that product. It'll just be much smaller from a hold standpoint that we're looking at, because we can still find things that are significantly smaller than an inline unit can detect due to production speeds.